I'm back. Akala mo talaga ang dami ko ng vlog mo. Pero hello, I'm in Manila. Tapos nasa Greenfield ako ngayon. Start na ng long weekend. Pero, ayun. Nag-try ako mag-solo joiner for Mount Purgatory Day Hike. So ngayon, naghintay ako dito sa Greenfield para ma-pick up ako kasi dito yung pinili kong pick up place. Ayun lang. Tapos update ko kayo pag paalis na kami, pag nakadating na kami sa Benguet. Tapos panoorin nyo yung buong vlog ko about this hike. And tignan nyo kung paano ako mag-enjoy alone and with new people. Ayun. Mag-enjoy din kayo. Bye! Apo!
Faces going in and out. Yeah, that's the way it felt. Like a distant sort of conversation of you and I. Feels like I'm running from a reputation.
Hi, vlog!
Every night. 'Cause I've lived different lives before you ever made me feel alive. I haven't felt this fucking terrified before you. Those were different times. I'm not the one I was.
Hi, vlog! Ligpas na kami sa first mount.
I see it now. Few years ahead, it's only you around.
Para pupunta na kami sa second. Ayan. Dito ako sa likodan kasi for the photo. Hi, kayo.
Like a distant sort of conversation. I try to hide from you and I. Feels like I'm closer to a revelation. Every night.
Sila yung new friends ko. Si Valen. Hi! At saka si Che. Magma-Mount 387 daw kami next one.
Those were different times. I'm not the one I was at 25. Drinking high. Those are all the lives I left behind.
Grabe. Ulam. Ay. Diyos ko, 3 hours na kami. Yay. Pagod is real. Hi kay Mamo. Naselected.
Different lives before you ever made me feel alive. I haven't felt this fucking terrified before you. Those were different times. I'm not the one I was at 25, drunk and high. Those are all the lives I left behind for you.
Dapat nasa bahay eh. Second peak pala kami. Tinatanong ko na yung sarili ko, bakit ko ito ginagawa? Charing. Pagod na ako. Hi kay Ate Gay. Siya ang aming best tour guide. Hi Ate. Mag-hi ka. Hi.
Your body shines darker, it's in the room. I count the hours till the sky faces blue. 'Cause the heart is only on my sleeve. In the night.
I'm back. Nasa third peak na kami guys. 10.77 km. 26 km total ko. 16 mo.
We only make sense in the night. The shadows
Ay,
dance
nasa Mossy Forest. On our way sa fourth mountain na.
This love gets harder when the day starts to breathe. All I know is the world
Si ate doon. Tapos nagpipicture pa dyan ng mga friends ko kasi may clearing dyan. Tapos na ako. Anyway, ko lang sila. So, ayun lang. Ah, saya-saya. Grabe, pagod na ako. Ah, ang ganda!
when it's just us here in the night. I can see so
Grabe!
until you disappear in the light. We only make sense in the night.
Nasa fourth peak na kami. Mount Bacnan. Mount Bacnan. Hindi ko na napakita. Lumagpas na kami. Bacyan. Tapos, ito yung ghost town. Ayun, may school dyan. Tapos may mga abandoned na houses. Bakit na kami sa 5th mountain para hindi kami makat off. Ayun lang. Ay, 6th pala. So, bye guys.
When it's just us here in the night, I can see so clear every time until you disappear
Thank you po. May clearing. Sobrang ganda.
in the night.
Going na kami sa 6th mountain. Unahin namin yung pang-anim. Tapos, saka kami bababa papunta sa 5th. Sobrang nice. May clearing po. Grabe guys, kanina ulap lang nakikita namin. Ay! Ay, Diyos ko.
Graduate.
Last na.
Oh, di ba, Doc? Sabi sa'yo eh.
Abot.
Wake up, man, I hit the front door. Tell myself go out more. And
Ang ganda dito sa Purgatory. Hindi siya napag-justify ng ng camera. Nasa Mount Bacyan kami going to Mount... Saan nga tayo, ate? Tangbao. Hi, yan si ate. Benedicta. The best tour guide. Di ba, ate? Sobrang honest niya. Pag sinabi niyang, wag ma'am, malayo pa. Malayo pa talaga. Talagang 1 hour pa. Pag sinabi niya, nakikita niyo yun, doon pa tayo. Doon talaga. Walang real talk lang. Bawal umasa. Ayun. So, pupunta namin sa 6th mountain. Goodbye.
I've been driving with the brakes on, taking all the turns wrong. But if it brought me here, I'm not mad. Tell me this don't happen often. Got you ditching your friends. You say that you never do that.
Nasa community na kami. Tsaka campsite. Di kami magka-camping, guys. Hello po. Good afternoon po.
See you feel like magic, cinematic, and I gotta have it. See you feel like magic.
Hi guys! So nagulat kayo, nasa clinic na ako. Gusto ko lang magkaroon ng closure yung vlog ko from hiking. Kasi simula nang bumaba kami sa last mountain, hindi na ako nag-video kasi pagod na ako and umuulan na nun. Ayoko ilabas yung cam ko. Tapos ayun, so gusto ko lang i-share na sobrang fun nung naging hike. And ayun lang, sana na-enjoy nyo din yung mga videos na sinama ko dito. Tapos, ayun lang, abangan nyo na lang kung nasan ako next. If nasa dagat ba ako or nasa bundok again or kung nasan man ako. Tapos maglalagay pala ako dito ng mga pictures from nung hiking. And as in, sobrang ganda sa Purgatory. Sobrang worth it yung 28 kilometers na inakyat namin para doon. kayo. So, bye!